him a Puni police. Run when you see Puni police. Hide when you see Puni police. Me say he make me feel like.
They say that's why I have to watch your pumps, you know. That's why I have to watch your pumps, you know. Why you have a vibrator in your back? Why you have a battery plug in your back? All those. Live America too long, you know. Live America too, bumbleclad long. Bumbleclad! Live America too, blood clot long. We need to go over there. We need to come down now. Shut up! We need to come down now. Hey, people, you know what? I put this at the start of the video. People, we are trying to get a reaction on the trending page. I know, in my years of watching YouTube, never see a reaction video on the trending page yet. Like the video and just drop a random comment. I could try something new.
Reaction.
Yo, what up? Shenseea, Puni police. You don't know, chat people. Official video. So I've heard to do this song. This song been out for a couple days. I'm not gonna lie to you. You see me, I say, I'm actually afraid for real to Shenseea song. Man like people like Shenseea, man like Popcorn. I'm kind of afraid for them song because every time we do it, video we get blocked worldwide. So if we do that video and see that video, big up on yourself. But after do a video for post for them today, I don't miss no day. You see me, I say, I've been busy all day. It's like what? 7 o'clock right now. You see me, I say, time now I'm gonna watch wrestling. Yes, I watch wrestling. Yes, I'm gonna watch Monday Night Raw right after I do that video right now. So I'm gonna do that video fast. So I can go turn on the TV and watch wrestling. Meanwhile, I ate the video for dropped up for you. You don't know it chop already. Yes. Wrestling is fake and yes, I watch wrestling. But anyways, look at so I go out for the Puni police. As I say, song me know from me. Essentially, they look really good at the Grammys. We never see no Puni police. No Puni police never found her at the Grammys. You see me, I say, yes, I've seen teasers from the video. I'm here, say, you know, say, batty plug and them things like that go on. So I can see what I go on the video right now. I'm not watch it yet. You understand? So I'm going to lock in and see what she talk about right now with the Puni police. Shenseea, look at myself too. You see me, I say. Check out the channel, people. We have a whole heap of content. We're closing in 21,900 subs. After I post this video, I would love for you guys to subscribe so we can reach 22K by my birthday, which is February 18th. If you want to know. Anyways, Puni police, run it!
Give me some room to breathe.
You can't look so. I'm sorry. You just start. First of all, when you're in a high-speed chase in America, them boy are running from now till tomorrow. Anyways, sorry. Me not getting room for breathe. You must be mad. Next one for breathe you.
Need some space from you.
Why?
It not supposed to feel.
Why you want space? The body not good or something? It not good? Why you want space? This time we know for your maintenance, I'm not hear sign right now. Me there for react and go to my reaction and I like today for now. Talk your talk though, Shenseea, but you're not getting no space, man.
Like this with someone new.
Alright.
Yeah.
This video gonna get freaky, you know. Why you asking that for handcuff you gotta handcuff yourself to the bed? That you gonna do? Make you lucky that I saw them at about Jesus, make myself.
The boy, no give you space on him, no set you free, then you better believe him a Puni police. If him go cut a key, put a track up on your VIX, then you better.
Well on. And so, if you looking at the mirror, your point is, and what if I watch your pumps? And my one. Your point is, what your point? Please tell me. Me wanna know. Talk your talk.
I believe him a Puni police. Run when you see Puni police. Hide when you see Puni police. Me say he make me feel like.
They say that's why I have to watch your pumps, you know. That's why I have to watch your pumps, you know. Why you have a vibrator in your back? Why you have a battery plug in your back? All those. Live America too long, you know. Live in America too, Bumbo Clot. Like. Bumbo Clot! Live in America too, blood clot. Like. We need to go over there. We need to come down now. Shut up! We need to come down now. Hey, people, you know what? I push that start of the video. People, we are trying to get a reaction on the trending page. I know, in my years of watching YouTube, never see a reaction video on the trending page yet. Like the video and just drop a random comment. I could try something new. But long story short, I'm going to say, yo, I don't want it belong to, you know? Bumbo Clot, we don't even talk about that. We can't post that video, man. You must be mad. But we don't get mad out from now till tomorrow to blood clot. Ready, right, Jude?
Say me is a thief, cause me they are run from a Puni police. First things first, me buy me phone and I it you want search. When you want search, you gotta get your heart hurt.
I have to search it. Yeah, my woman and me a body up on a regular basis. Raw, no boots. I have to search it. See if I get next man a Puni apartment. Yes. Me and Mr. Watchy Pums. What's if he good? What's if he a superstar? Shalom. Come down now. Go on.
Location, ear tagging on my purse. Blows.
I can't request you give the Puni. I can't request you give the Bumbo Clot Puni. After me go see me share the location with your Shenseea, you want to give request the pumps? After me share the location with you, you want to give request the pumps?
And skirt, how you reach on me work? Hot gal enough for everybody, my youth. Comment on my picture, them a that's a mad you.
Yes!
Too insecure, so you lose.
Yes, it's a mad me. What's if I heart them? Well, on there. Me not gonna lie, you're gone too far in a dog. This man I check around the world. Even which part the person you're coming from in the world. No, brother, you're really a different type of police in him going on. You see me? I say, me name Mr. Watchy Pumps. Me not no Puni police. Let me take it back. Mr. Watchy Pumps. Talk your talk, Shenseea.
That's why I'ma need you to give me some room to breathe.
Me not get a room.
With someone new.
This man just sniff. Hey, the man basically not to say Shenseea Pum Pum stinking. We can't laugh about Bumbo Clot. This brother just tell me say Shenseea Pum Pum stink.
It's not supposed to feel like this with someone new.
This brother just tell me say Shenseea Pum Pum stink basically. You might go through Shenseea bagging of people, right? And find the vibrator and the battery plug in and bag in the dark. And smelly. And that one there vibrator obviously, you know. And smelly. Shenseea says, you Bumbo Clot. Brother, I feel go kill her. You can't talk about my girlfriend the way, brother, on live national YouTube video. Brother, you know how much man we beat you because you do that a while ago? You know how much man we beat you because you just do that a while ago? Me I think him know now. You go find out one of them there. Talk it up.
Now give your space on him. Now set you free, then you better believe him.
So I'm have to watch your poems. Who the fuck is this? Who that? Imagine. Who that one there now? That's how I watch your poems. Cause you go on too bad. If you come down now. Imagine. Shenseea pretty in a dog. Hey, but that breed fuck.
My Puni police. If him go cut a key, put a track up on your VIX, then you better believe him. My Puni police.
The brother you're dangerous. Brother you're dangerous. Even if you watch your poems so hard, me not like me watch your poems yesterday. But the more you watch your poems at that time, the poems are go cheap on you. You can't watch your poems the way the brother you watch your poems. You see me I say as a real youth from the yard, you cannot watch the poems like this. This is utter madness.
Run when you see Puni police. Hide when you see Puni police. Imagine you're not sleep, you're not watch me every move. Your PP clock, bloody attitude. Give it some. Like this with some. Now got a key, put a track up on the police. Hide when.
Well on there. So a man actually get a police car rather down the track and we put on the car search for shit. Got that man go over there. So we have to fast over the car obviously a cross shot put over isn't it? So we only for the tree long. But people are still trying to get the rest of the training now. So I more want to run it up in that. You see me I say, what if a rest up on the page, hopefully make the post on the phone as I say in the beginning of the video, I know how it will go, I know why, but Shenseea, Popcorn, how else? More artists today. When I do the video in black, it get black worldwide. I fancy that. You see me, I say. But
You see Puni police, me say, he make me.
well, I'm a buckler.
They are run from a Puni police.
Yeah, you there. Make your girl, make you should have me. Hey, more with the music video too. Shenseea team, you know. He's come here star in one of them video there, you know. Me if you come there, you know. Say maybe I star in one of them video. What kind of? Boy, I'm if you come down now. Yeah, man, if you come down now. Like up a video. There's me, Reaction Boss, we are sign out. I'm out.